May pips be upon you. Let's break down the situation happening with Aussie USD. Let's look at the monthly. What do we see? What we see is price after forming this bearish order block, forming this supply, shot down. Big old massive drop, but we had a massive recoveries thus far. So we see this impulse and this correction, a two candle correction, and then a breaking of that two candle correction, that two candle pullback. All right, that is constitutes a break of structure to the upside. And what do we expect after a break of structure? We expect price to come back and return to impulse. That would be this bullish order block here, where we would find demand. This is a demand zone, and this is the order block that impulse price past that break of structure. Okay, and it's going to come back for the test, and that's exactly what it's doing. That's on the monthly. All right. Now you see I have a W in here for this bullish order block. It was a monthly order block, and I would have drawn it out. I would have boxed it this way, but we refined it down to a weekly. All right. And you see I have it refined to the weekly order block, and you can see how price came down here to test it. All right. That process is complete. Now from here we respond. Price responds. The reaction rather is a bullish impulse to the upside. And what did we do? We had a break here. All right. Now this on this scale is on this time frame is merely a break of a short-term high. All right, because it's not. Well, actually, it is. It is a two candle pullback. Excuse me. All right. So that's why I have a BOS there, a break of structure, and not short-term high, STH. All right. So we had a break of structure. What do we expect? Price to come back and retest the impulse that got it past that break of structure, right? You follow me so far. This is old news over here. All right. So let's go to the daily now. And on the daily, this is a daily order block here. I don't have it marked. All right. We have a daily order block here. All right. Price had that break of structure, came back to test the impulsing order block, the bullish order block here at this is demand zone. And it's penetrated deep inside here. All right. We can see that the reason why price rejected from this area is because it found a supply up here at this bearish order block. Okay. Once it found supply, it filled its orders and came on down, crashing, boom. All right. We're in deep in this demand zone. And it makes you think does this this is daily. All right. This is the daily. It makes you think that price there might be a chance that price passes through this demand zone. We're going to watch this as it goes through. Now, I want you to also understand something too. Why do we need, you know, why do we need, what is the significance of these demand zones? All right. After a push to the high side, we start making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We're breaking the structure on this side and creating a new trend. Okay. And we got a higher high, a higher low. All right. It goes as low as this higher low, which is responsible for this higher high, and then a higher low, higher high. Got it? Higher highs, higher lows, and then we reverse from here. And once we break the higher lows that were responsible for the higher high, we were breaking structure to the downside. And what does that mean? All right, we made a higher high. We're looking for a higher low to be made so that we can see new structure continue, the new trend continue. The downtrend is over. This is the beginning of a new trend. All right. You need two of each, a higher high, a higher low. You need two of each to call it an uptrend, and we have that. Got it? Now, if price holds here, as long as we don't break this lower, this the lowest point of this block order, this order block, excuse me, price is in a bullish momentum, has bullish momentum. All right. And bullish momentum is being maintained as long as it doesn't break this high or low. All right. So price is coming down this way. We tested here. Will it hold here? This is a two candle pullback. So we have a a this is not a lower high and lower high, and it's not a lower low and a lower high because it's only one candle. It goes straight down. This is one leg of structure. All right, came back after breaking these short term highs and stuff on this time frame. We're looking for price to come back for the pullback to a bullish order block, and that's what we have here on the daily. Right now, let's go down to the 4 hour. I'm wasting time. All right. If we go to the 4 hour, we're going to see the price action happening right now. All right. We are in this daily order block, like I mentioned earlier, but we are deep inside of it. And there is a 4 hour order block that price is penetrating into right now. If price holds, if this order block holds, this will constitute a higher low. All right. And if that happens, we can see, we can predict with a high probability that price will continue higher. Okay. If it gets past this, we're going down and we're going to test this what is this, a weekly order block down here? Yeah, we're going to test these lows. We're coming down here to test that low. All right. Because there's not a whole lot of traffic to hold it back. Got a possibility of a reversal here, but I don't think that's a high probability. Okay, so we're looking, all eyes are on the reaction to this 4 hour order block. If we start to see price give us signs of exhaustion and then signs of reversal, and what do we look for? Just this. You know, we're going lower, we're going lowest. I tried to go lower, but I failed. We're going up. That's all we're looking for. You can call it an inverted head and shoulders. You can call it a Quasimodo. You can call it whatever you want. I call it the the low, lower. Can't go any lower. We're going up. Okay. All right. So this is what we're looking for. All right. Signs of rejection here and signs of a reversal pattern. We're looking for that reversal pattern. That's what we're looking for. And we'll see it clearly on the lower time frames. Okay. I will see you in the next video. Trade safely. And don't forget to give me a like if you like what I'm doing.